Hey guys, today we're looking at the Hummingbird Mark 13 Premium Head Shaver. 7-blade quick swap design, magnetic head holder. Let's open her up and see what's in the box. The box got a tight fit, well quality made. All right. Right out of the box, you get a little 1-year warranty card, user manual, and a little placard with their social media presence. Charging cord. A little duster kit to clean off the shaven heads. And it says a convenient carry case, so I guess that's what that is. Nothing else in the box. Let's take a look at the product. This case is nice. I mean, that's not cheapy plastic there. That's some quality. There you go. There's your head. You got a little plastic place in the bottom. Haven't even plugged it in yet to see what's going on with it, so we're going to look at it ourselves here. All right, power on the bottom. I guess it's completely dead. We'll have to charge it up and see what we got. Okay, folks, we're back. I guess it was already charged to 100%. I plugged it in and it showed up. I just wasn't hitting the button right. Not a long press, just a quick snap. So yeah, there you go. Turns on. Here's your removable head for cleaning and getting out the old hair. Let's just do a little back of the hand test because my head's already cleaned off this week, so I'll get another one for that. Yeah, it takes it off of there. Smooth. There's a before and after. There's the old A-pan there. There's that one. So yeah, that's your Hummingbird MK13 Premium Head Shaver. Supposed to be waterproof. Use it in the shower. Let's take a peek at the charge it. It does say you need to charge it before your first use, so you're good there. There you go. Thanks for watching.